What is up, Android fans? My name is Salal Bajaj, and in this video we are gonna review some of the best and the must-have Android apps of the year 2013. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The first app on our list is Appy Geek, right there. Now this app is for all those users out there who want to remain in touch with the tech news going around them in the world, ranging from the camera optics to the latest changes in the Firefox OS. You have everything right on your Android smartphone. Now, as you can see, the user interface is really easy to set up as well as customize. You have a plus button where on clicking it you are taken to this little screen where you have all your tabs from feature to mobile devices, video games, social services. Now it also have a couple of settings there. You can change the language, the content providers, you can even create your own account. So that was Appy Geek. The next app on our list is Bass Booster. Now this is for people who really love real hardcore bass on their devices. Now you can click on right there, Bass Boost. It even got an equalizer right there which you can easily adjust. You got a couple of presets right there for more basses to improve quality, volume boost, and then voice boost. Now the bass boost can be from 0%, that is no bass boosted, to 100% where the bass is boosted to a really high level. It even got a couple of settings right there. The first option is update every second. You might want to tick it if you got a memory killer or a task manager running. Then you can show the status icon or hide it. You can even force bass boost, but it might be dangerous for the external speaker of your phone. The next app on our list is Blackmart Alpha. Now this is for all those people who love to download paid apps. This is the Google Play Store with all the paid apps free. Yeah, that is the best definition you can give this. You can search for apps. Just for example, there's a paid app in the Google Play Store which got $278 here in India. That is the Roam Toolbox Pro. So let us see how much does that cost on this thing. You see right there, Roam Toolbox Pro, and it's for free, and it says crack status cracked. So that way you can download it and install it right on your phone for free. Now it got an update switch. You have the market, which is the link to the market, and you will be redirected to the Google Play Store. Then it got an advanced app wherein you can I have this app installed, so I can update that, uninstall that, download it again, or move to SD, or just back up the app. Yes, it's even got an option to back up your app. The next app on our list of the must-have Android apps 2013 is Clean Master. What this app does is it removes all the junk files. It has the capability to delete all the history, the phone call history, your browser history, your clipboard history, anything and everything which it considers as a junk file. Now you can click right there, it says junk file. It is building the cache right there. Okay, now cache is something which helps the apps once run them much faster when you run it the second time. Now as you can see, it got it, my phone got a 25.80 MB of cache, and it's still scanning. So this cache takes up the system space, so that way this would be really helpful if you don't need the apps to kind of launch really fast. You see, after loading, my cache is 106.42 MB and the occupied space is 128.74 MB right there. So this can be cleared up right there with that one button, clean, and it will clean 117.54 MB. And I click OK, and you see it starts 24% and it's still going, and boom, you see I just cleared 117 point some amount of MB right from my system memory, so that I could install more Android apps. from the Google Play Store. If you got less amount of memory and you know likely install more and more apps, then this one is the right thing for you. Then you even have the privacy tab where you can delete the browser history, your YouTube history, the Google Play Store search history, your Chrome history, your Google Plus history, Gmail, WeChat. Now I have browsing history pre-clicked, the browser searched. Now what I do is I click on clean and boom, there I go. See, everything is removed. The next tab is tasks. What this does is it shows a list of all those tasks that are running and that are of course consuming your RAM. So this is that button, clean, and boom, it freed up more RAM. So now I have 629.454 MB used and free is 337.90, which before cleaning was merely 200 MB. So that is it, Clean Master with a clean UI. The next app on our list is one of the most famous cloud storage available on the Android Play Store or the Google Play Store, and that is Dropbox. I'm right into it now. For those people who don't know what it is, again, many of the people who will be watching this video would know what Dropbox is, but again, this is for those people who really don't know what Dropbox is. For a layman, I would say Dropbox is an online pen drive. You can store all your data, your files, your APK files, your wallpapers, your videos, your everything, even your Windows files, .exe format, your JPG, everything, .zips, everything onto the cloud, just like you do it on your pen drive. So instead of a pen drive, you have it online in this Dropbox. Now I have these little folders. You can even create yours. I got the Android stuff, the Cybershot, my pics, of course, the music, pics, again, videos. You can create folders. Then it also got a couple of settings right there. You can upgrade your account. Now you see I got 26.125 GB of free space. Then you can even put a security lock on there, so if anyone tries to access your Dropbox account, it will first ask for a password. Then you have the camera upload option. So whenever you click a pic, it will automatically upload the pic to the Dropbox account, whichever folder you assign it, whenever it finds a Wi-Fi network connection. So that was Dropbox. The next app on our list is Lightning browser. Now you just please don't confuse it with the Chrome or some other browser. This is the Lightning browser, and believe me guys, you need to believe me, this is one of the fastest browsers which I have ever seen or experienced from the whole Android Play Store, or as it is called, the Google Play Store. Now it's really fast. I don't know how should I make you believe or tell you to make me to believe me. I just type in Facebook and boom, you see right there, you see even the Chrome browser that I use more often than the Lightning browser doesn't load pages like this browser does. And the video streaming right in the browser is blazing fast. I think this is one of the best browsers, the lightest browsers available on the Google Play Store. The next app on our list is MX Player. Now this is just like any other video player. You got the camera upload, you got it shows all that stuff, all the videos that are present. Now the most special thing, or I would call the USP, unique selling point of this app, is that you throw in any format of video ranging from .3GP to .mov files. It can play each and every file with real ease. So that was MX Player. So the next app on our list is ToMate. You might mistake it for some version 1 YouTube Android app that came on the Google Play Store. No, it's not. It's an app which isn't available on the Google Play Store officially, but don't worry guys, I'll give you the link in the description to download the APK file and successfully install it on your on your Android, of course. Now what this app does is, you can download the YouTube videos, and the best part is it's compatible with almost all Android Android versions. I tested it on my HT Explorer running version 2.3 to this to Android 4.1, and boom, you see it's running really stable. Now let me just show you how to download it. Now right there's a new video, The Roar by Katy Perry. Now you see this green button right there. I click on it and it says I can download it or watch it, so I'll download it, and it says fetching video information. And you see it gave me a big list of the formats in which I can download this. I can download it as an MP3 to all the up in the MP4 format of the resolution 1920 into 1080. So that's a really interesting part about this app. So that was ToMate, with the help of which you can download your favorite YouTube videos. The next app on our list is TuneIn Radio. This is over the internet radio which can stream lots and lots of tracks right on your Android phone. So this is mainly for all those people who really don't love to keep many tracks on their Android phone, and instead love to hear songs over the air. You got the top 40 pop, you got rock, jazz, country, so you got different genres or genre, whatever you call that. Then you have a favorites tab where you can add in your favorites, and the best part is you can even add a new custom URL, so that way if you find any of the channels that's not available on TuneIn Radio, then you can add it but by yourself. Then you have the browse tab where you can go for the local radio recents, and you have the trending tab, the recommended, music, sports, news, talk, by location, search by location, search by by language, and you can even hear to podcast. Now this is a really awesome app, and it also got a couple of settings too. You can record your own favorite stations and shows, so that way you can get probably the MP3 files of those stations, but that is available in the TuneIn Pro. Now you have the TuneIn Live, of course. You can display a live feed of music, talk, sports. You can auto restart the player. Then you can even disable auto lock. So that was it. You can even enable the push notifications and other stuff. You can even create your own accounts. Right there it says account, just like you could do in the Appy Geek app, so that way you won't lose track of your favorites. So go check it out for yourself, guys. This is a really awesome app for all those music lovers out there. Okay guys, the long journey is about to end, and we are on our last app, that is the UCCW. Now again, this is pretty much a famous app, and this is what this app does is you can create your own custom widgets. You can add in time, you can add in date, you can add in all that stuff that you probably see in a widget. You can even add in taskers, so that way it's a complete widget for the professional as well as amateur users. I even got some videos by which you can create really minimal and awesome looking UCCW custom skins, and it's given somewhere on the screen. It might be displayed right now. Now you have this add remove object. As I said, you can add in time or minute, date, the AM PM stuff. You got the hour minute separator, almost everything. You got the year. You can even add the static text. You can have the battery level, battery circle, the location, the current temperature, today's temperature. You can add in your own custom icons for the weather. Then you can add the forecast for up to 5 days in the widget. Then you can even add in shapes to make your widget look really awesome. You can add in images. You can even link your Gmail account, and then you can have a count of the missed calls, text messages, and the alarm time what you got. And then here are a couple of taskers right there. So it got a really awesome feel. The UI is really easy to use, guys, and this is one of the must-have apps for all those Android users out there who love customizing their Android phones. Okay guys, so that was a roundup of the top 10 must-have Android apps of the year 2013. I hope you guys like this video. If you love this and if you want to appreciate my effort, do give it a thumbs up. You got any questions, any queries about tech related stuff, you can comment in the comment section down below, and you can watch out my other videos on Android. So that was it guys. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching once again.